na, hindi po ganyang kadami yung umattend, pero mas madami kesa dun sa last rallies. And ang maganda niyan is sobrang ganado din yung mga pumunta. Kudos to our super seniors. Kudos dun sa mga bata na nakapaglakad pa. That's 7 kilometers from Laha Sulaiman to Dasmariñas Gate. Grabe, we are so proud of you. Tapos yung mga katulad ngayon ko lang nakita publicly magsalita si Madam Amor. Holy cow, kagaling naman ng babaeng yun, ano? Si Sir Park, ang batang-bata pa pero matatas, very articulate. And it's a joy and a pleasure to hear them speak because this is a generation of speakers, and all languages of the different generations and ages of Filipinos were represented last night. I'm so proud of everybody who was there and so proud of all of the people na sumubaybay dun by live. Ang daming vloggers, ang daming nakapag-live nun. And I knew at that moment, sabi ko, mahihirapan silang i-challenge ito. Mahihirapan yung mga taga-kabilang bakod na sabihin na nilangaw, mahihirapan silang magsinungaling tungkol dito sa ating nagawa kagabi. And I am so, so proud of everybody who went, everybody who sacrificed, everybody who was there to show their rage at what the government has been doing to us.